Howdy ho, guys and gals, it's Jeff here, the Den of Tools. We got a quick video for you today because we got a leaked tool here for you. Sent from Joe the Tool Guy. Thanks again for sending that to me. We got the DeWALT, get this is the Atomic 20 volt. This is not a 12 volt tool, but the Atomic series, if you remember, that's kind of like Makita's subcompact line. This is where DeWALT's trying to get the compactness of the 12 volt, but with the power and battery platform from their 20 volts. So it's kind of they're trying to no compromise kind of thing. But the big news is, for those of you who've been in the DeWALT 20 volt series and you've been waiting for one of these electric ratchets, they're coming. Now, I don't have exactly what store this is from. Somebody posted this up. If you recognize the tag or something, you want to call it out, I'd love to hear it. But clearly, this is somebody who put out a tag a little bit too early. What we got here is we got the 20 volt max atomic brushless 3/8 open head ratchet. Now, open head, as I understand it, usually the way that term means is that the ratcheting part of the head is not enclosed, it's exposed, so you can see it move and all that stuff. Not a big deal. Anyway, the next one is the same thing except in a 1/2 inch. Both of these listed at $200 because they're both in the atomic line, which means smaller but the same full power from the 20 volt line. Now let's take a look back, because I know a lot of people in the Stanley Black & Decker lines have been looking for these. Now, of course, we've had the Craftsman out for a while. Now, it's a similar design, has a similar style battery, but as you can see there, it's got more of the lever switch pushing the button there, whereas this looks to be, it's hard to see with this picture, looks to be a fully enclosed button kind of thing there. Same sort of action, but there's some people who have a peculiar like for one side versus the other. The other thing to keep in mind is that Mac Tools, which is Stanley Black & Decker's professional line of tools made specifically for the automotive industry, they've had a 12 volt ratchet. Now, this, of course, this isn't a 12 volt ratchet, but they've had a 12 volt ratchet, and many people in the DeWALT line have been using it as well, because if you don't know, the Mac Tools and the DeWALT tools have an interchangeable shared battery platform. So you can use your DeWALT batteries with your Mac tools and Mac batteries with your DeWALT tools if you wanted, and chargers as well. So the 12 volt batteries would fit into that, and many people have used that and stuff, and I've talked to people who have used it. As you can see on the Mac version, they have that fully enclosed, more button rather than the traditional lever style like you'd see like on an air tool. Now, that said, I did look around. At least online, I don't have any Mac dealers around here I can just chat up, but at least online, all of the Mac ratchets are showing that they are no longer available. They're sold out, or they're just not in stock, or they have no idea. And I'm also seeing only a 1/4 inch and a 3/8 inch. Now, maybe they did have a 1/2 inch, but I can't find it online right now. So weigh that all together. But if you're in the DeWALT line, this probably is not going to sway you one way or the other. This is clearly the tool you've probably been looking for if you've been wanting to get an E-ratchet there. So coming soon. We don't have the exact dates, but we do have basic pricing for the tool only, it's looking like. This says the, I guess I could have looked up the SKU. Hold on, let's pause for a second. Oh, well, I tried looking up the SKU, hoping that would give me the store ID on this, but no such luck. I've also looked up the part numbers, and let me call those out for you in case maybe you can search for them later. This is the 1/2 inch ratchet, and the part number is DCF 512B, and it says ratchet bear, so I'm guessing that means bear tool. And the 3/8 is DCF 513B. So there you go. That's your new tool leak of the day. Be sure to like and subscribe. We got more deals of the week coming for you tomorrow. Make sure you're there for them.